Hello everyone, welcome back to Ramz tutorial. So today's video guys, we're going to discuss about adding and subtracting similar fractions. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to add the numerator to numerator and subtract numerator to numerator. And then we are going to retain the denominator. Why? Because the denominator is same with the first fraction and the second fractions. That is what we call adding and subtracting similar fractions. Once again, good day and welcome back to Ramz tutorial. Great day everyone. Welcome back to Ramz tutorial. Today, my dear students, viewers, we're going to discuss about adding and subtracting similar fractions. Our purpose, our goal here is that we are going to know the different techniques on how to add or subtract similar fractions. Remember, when you say it's similar fractions, that means to say the denominator is the same. Later on, I will teach you how to subtract and how to add similar fractions using the following techniques. Here we go. We're going to start now. What is a similar fraction? A similar fractions class have the same denominators. Okay? Have the same denominators. Meaning to say same denominators. So for example, like this, 4 1/4 plus 3/4. This one is what we call the denominators. This is an example of similar fractions. Their denominator is both the same. Remember, when adding or subtracting, that means to say, my dear students, when you add or when you subtract similar fractions, all you have to do is that add or subtract only the numerators. Again, when adding or subtracting similar fractions, add or subtract only the numerators. Okay? And then retain the denominators. That means to say, class, for example here, 1/4 plus 3/4, 1 plus 3 is 4. This one 4 is we're going to rewrite. That is what you call retain the denominator. Do not add the denominator to denominator. You are going to copy only one number because it's same. So you copy 4 and the result is 4/4. Okay? Let's proceed to our examples. We have direction says, add the unshaded parts. We have the unshaded part is 1. Okay? We have first here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. Then the 1 is not unshaded part. This is what we call the 1. 1/4. Next, this one is, it represents 3/4. When we're going to add, guys, remember, you are going to add the numerator only, which represent the 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now we are going to copy the denominator. That means to say we are going to retain it. The result is 4/4. Okay? That's the technique. Our graph here, our circle graph, it shows about 1/4 and 3/4. Then you're going to add numerator to numerator, then write the answer, then retain the denominator, you copy only 1. Okay, that's it. That's your answer. Another example, guys, we have two examples rather. We have 2/4, we have 1, 2, the shaded part, and 2 unshaded part. Okay, it shows about 2/4. Next, plus 1/4 here. Okay, so we are going to add 2 and 1. The result is 3. Retain the denominator, which is 4. The result is 2/4. That is how you are going to add the similar fractions or adding similar fractions. Okay, so don't forget to read thoroughly or remember. That means to say remember, that word remember is that note for you, my dear viewers, as my students, so that it's easier for you to answer the following questions regarding this topic about adding and subtracting similar fractions, my dear students. Okay? Did you understand? I hope you understand too. So we're going to proceed to our, of course, exercises. What is exercises, teacher Ram? Exercises, my dear students, this is what we call a type of exercises to our minds, to weakening your minds, of course. Today is Monday. Okay, here we go. Directions, answer H. We have A and B. For A, we have 1/5 plus 2/5. Again, add numerator 1 and 2. Then guys, write the answer here, 3. Then retain the denominator, which is 5. Going to like that. Then don't forget to write the fraction bar. Then encircle it to emphasize your answer in order to check it easily for your teachers. Our answer for number 1 is 3/5. Next, look at guys. Remember subtraction because our topic is add and subtract. So 5 minus 1. Careful with this symbol. Symbol at the center. 5 minus 1. So we're going to write here 4. Then don't forget the fraction bar. Then we are going to copy or retain the denominator here. So our answer is 4/6. Okay, we're going to write here answer 3. So careful the symbols. We have addition. 1 plus 1. Ibig sabihin 1/4 plus 1/4. So we're going to write here 2, my dear students. Then fraction bar, don't forget about it. Retain the denominator. We're going to copy that and encircle it. Oh, this word ENS, that is short form for the word answer. Next number, 4. 3/5 plus 1/5. So we are going to plus the numerator, then fraction bar, then you are going to write the answer, then retain the denominator, which is 5. Encircle that and write the word. That's the answer. Next, number 5. Okay, careful with our symbols. We have 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 8. So we're going to put a fraction bar, write our answers here. Okay, and then 5 plus 2/5. Sorry, this is similar fractions. This is written error. Sorry, my dear students. So we're going to write here 7/5. Our answer. Next, number 6, my dear students. Okay, number 6 we have 4/7 minus 1/7. Okay, so here you are going to write, retain the denominator, subtract 4 minus 1, so the answer is 3. So our answer is 3/7. Next, 4 minus 3, so we're going to write 1. 4, 9 minus 3, 9. Retain the denominator. Next, 2/3 plus 1/3. Okay, add, then retain the denominator. That's our answer. 9, subtract 4 minus 1, or 4/4 minus 1/4. So the answer is 3/4. Always retain the denominator. 10, 1/8 plus 3/8. 1 plus 3, then write your answer here. Then retain the denominator, which is 8. Okay, that's how you're going to add or subtract. Adding and subtracting similar fraction. Okay, let's continue, guys. Letter B, we're going to answer it. Same, what we call procedure. Okay, 4/5 minus 1/5. Okay, fraction bar. Don't forget that. Then write your answer. Retain the denominator. Then encircle that. That's your final answer. Next, 3 plus 1. Write the answer. Sum, then retain the denominator. Next, 4 minus 3, or 4 seventh, minus 3 sevenths. So we're going to write here the answer. Then retain the denominator. That's 1 7. Next, letter B, number 4. 7 minus 3, you subtract it, my dear students or viewers. Then retain the denominator. Always copy the denominator, same number. So write the numerator here. Then that's your final answer. Next, 2/5 plus 1/5. Add the numerator to numerator. Please follow, guys. Okay, retain the denominator. Then encircle. That is our final answer for 1 to 5. Next, 6, my dear students. 2/3 minus 1/3. Subtract, guys, the numerator. Just follow. Then retain the denominator. That's the way. Next, fraction bar for 7. 7/8 minus 5/8. Subtract. Then write the answer. Retain the denominator, which is 8. Then encircle. Next, 2/5 plus 1/5. Add the numerator both. Write the answer. Then retain the denominator, which is 5. The result is 3/5. Next is number 9. 3/4 plus 1/4. Okay, fraction bar 3 minus 1. You can write your answer here too. Bring down or retain the denominator, which is 4. So the result now is 2/4. Number 10, 1/2 plus 2/2. So add the numerator both. You're going to write your answer. Then retain the denominator, which is 2. Our answer is 3/2. Okay? When you follow this discussion, my dear students, it's easily for you to answer how to add or how to subtract similar fractions, my dear students. Number 10 again. Number 10 for letter B. 10 to 1, 3/2, 9 to 4, 8 3/5. The final answer, my dear students, 2 8, 1/3, 3/5. This is how you're going to read the fraction answer. 4 9, 1 7, 4 8, 3/5 for letter B only. That's letter A. We have 10, 4 8, 3/4, 3/3, 1 9, 3 7, 7/5, 4/5, 2/4, 4/6, 3/5. Okay? For our example, guys, you can do this also like this. Okay, it's a colorful one. Okay, if you do your what you call different examples on how to catch the interest of the viewers or you, my dear students, you can do this also. Okay, again, you are going to add the unshaded and shaded parts, of course, and count at how many of it. And remember, when adding or subtracting similar fractions, again, my dear viewers, add or subtract only the numerators and retain the denominators. That is showing about similar fractions. Again, have the same denominators. The shaded parts show similar fractions. Once again, my dear students, if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below and we're going to do that part. We're going to answer that and I will send it you back. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you're updated on our latest tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Once again, my dear students, viewers, so long class and thank you for watching. Bye-bye and God bless us and mabuhay.